In the last exercise, we used a pencil and a brush tool to draw these lines. Now, go up to the timeline, click frame 1, and that should return the objects we had drawn earlier in layer 1, frame 1. Please click the selection tool and drag a marquee around the circle we had drawn, and that will select both the stroke and the fill of that circle. Click anywhere outside the circle to remove that selection. Okay. Now, if you click inside the circle on the blue, you'll notice that I've selected only the fill. Click outside to deselect. And if I click just the line around the circle, I've now selected only the stroke. Again, click outside to remove that selection. I can also double click an object, click, and that will select both the stroke and the fill. Again, click outside to remove the selection. Now, if I double click the circle to select the stroke and the fill of the circle, and I press and hold down the Shift key, and I double click the square, you'll notice that now I've selected both the circle and the square at the same time. Again, if I click outside the two shapes, that removes the selection. Finally, you can use the selection tool to click the right-sided stroke of the square, and that lets you select only one side of the stroke of that object. Again, click outside to remove it. There's another tool that I'm going to show you right now. It's called the Lasso Tool. If you click it and watch, I'm going to click and drag and surround those four objects. If I let go, that lasso tool selects all the objects that were inside that shape I had drawn. Okay. Again, if you are done, you can click outside and that deselects those shapes. So this exercise was just to show you how to use the mouse and the lasso tool to select objects and deselect objects.